Are we even moving? Yep.
Where's the hot fishing spot?
Oh, sorry, sir. Daddy.
Are we there yet?
No.
Come on, you're the captain of this boat today.
Okay.
Row me to the hot fishing spot.
Isn't this the hot fishing spot?
No, it doesn't look like it to me.
You mean feel?
Yeah.
But how do you know there's other hot spots?
There's all over this river. Get me there, quick. Row faster!
Dad, can you please stop?